Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML background images. And right now, we are talking about background cover. So, if you want the background image to cover the entire element, you can set the background size property to cover. Also, to make sure the entire element is always covered, always on cover status set the background attachment property to fixed. This way the background image will cover the entire element with no stretching. The image will keep its original proportions. So now if the image keeps the original proportions, there will not be stretching everywhere. Now can you see this place? Now I've discussed about this image and also the repeat. I won't be able to discuss about it right now because I don't want this tutorial to get too long. So I want us to do something very quick. That's why I'm trying to rush this way now. Now we are using the background attachment. We are going to use the background attachment and the fixed value, and also we are going to use the background size and the cover value. Right now, let's quickly use it to see what is going to happen in our document. Now this is our former tutorial. In our former tutorial we have did this. You can watch our previous tutorial. Now let's see how our document, this is how our document looks. Now let's go back and put the fixed value, the background attachment. The background attachment is going to have the fixed value. Now I put it. Let's reload our document to see how it looks. Can you see? Nothing happens yet. When we zoom it, when we zoom out, can you see? Now let's say we want to use, we now want to use again. What do we want to use? We want to use background size. Now let's use background size and give it cover. We'll see something now. Can you see? Our image is now full. If it fill all the elements now, our body element all everywhere now, instead of specifying the color. Now let's say for instance now we don't want the image lost. Let's give it a fallback value. Background color for fallback value. Let's give it aqua. To quickly understand this, see this aqua we never display, but the only way the color here can, the background color here can also be displayed again is only when this image is no more found again. Let's say we change the name of this thing now by mistakenly, the aqua value shows. As you can see, it's very beautiful now. So now this is how it goes, and when we do like this, now our document, everything you can see. Now let's say you can copy this and take this background color again and put it at the top here, so that everything can get arranged. So it works the same way as well. You can see nothing happens. And also something again I want to show you again. Delete this. Let's leave it at the normal level. Let's bring our image back. Can you see our image? Can you see there is no hand here now, and we are not seeing the scrolling bar or anything that can make us see the hand completely. Now you are going to see how the hand is showing now. See, I want to show you something. Something I want to show you right here is that I want you to make sure that whenever you are specifying your image, put fallback value, which is this. This is the background image, instead of if this image lost. You understand? Now can you see this one? Now you can see in the future tutorial I'm going to show you how we can do it, that our hand is going to show very well. Because if you can notice very well, before we specify this thing, our hand shows very well, our hand displays very well. Let me show you how it shows. Can you see our hand displays very nice? No, it's not here. Our hand displays very nice when we firstly specify this value. You can see now, you can see our hand displays very well. Let me delete this one and save our document. You will see our hand. No. Let me resize. So this is resize. It's because of my screen. It's because of my screen. That's why it doesn't go back to the normal value again. So now let me now bring back our value. Now you will see what will happen. You see this hand now, it's not showing completely. When we later put our values, let's put our values now. Let's bring back our value. Reload it. Can you see? So in the future tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see the full size of your hand, everything to fix it, to everything will be in a normal way your picture is. So that's what we're going to do in the future. So I wish to see you guys next time. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. Have a great day. Nice bye. Bye bye.